Good morning, students. We will start first chapter of geography class plus 1. The name of the chapter is India size and location. So what we will discuss in this India size and location, we will discuss the location of India in the world map and what size of India, how much larger India in world. So that thing we will discuss. So first thing what is given in this, that is the globe. What is this? This is globe. What do you mean by this? This is the true shape of the earth. True shape means our earth is like in this way. The map which we are watching or which we have seen, that is not a true shape of the earth. Map just only represent the complete area of the earth in front of us. Now in globe there are only this area in front of us, remaining area in behind of this. So globe is the true shape of the earth. Map just only we are making to check each and everything in front of us. This is the true shape of the earth. Our earth is like in this way. Now next thing which is given in this, we can see this is the India. When we will show in the globe or in earth image, then it will be the India. That is India. Next thing what is given, this is the Kashmir area they have shown. Now next thing, how can we find out India? For that purpose we had required the latitude and longitude. What we required? We have required latitude and longitude. What are these longitude and latitude? What are these things? These are the lines which are parallel to latitude. These are the lines called latitudes. These all are called latitudes. And meridians of longitudes, these are longitudes. And the gap which is between these, this is called grid. Okay. What is said? The lines which are parallel to in this way, they are called horizontal lines are called parallel of latitudes. What we are calling them? The lines which are horizontal, these are called latitudes, and the lines which are in this way, vertical way, these are called meridians of longitudes, and the gap which is in between these lines, that is called grid. So this is the latitude and longitude. With the help of this latitude, what we will do, we will find out the place on a map. With the help of this latitude and longitude, we can easily find out the location of a particular place. In this way we can find out any country in globe or in map. Now next thing which is given, these are the degrees of longitudes. On the basis of these degrees are made, you can see this is the 90 degree and these all are 180 degree, sorry, and these all are called in this way. We have divided the earth on globe. Next thing is given, these are the climatic zone which are made on this earth, complete earth. There is a equator, it is equator, and this equator divide earth into two equal parts. These all are imaginary lines, longitude and latitude, these all are imaginary lines. Such type of lines are not on the globe or on earth. अर्थ के ऊपर ऐसी कोई लाइन नहीं है जिस ओनली इमेजिनेशन के लिए अपनी कल्पना की गई है और उसके अंदर साइज और लोकेशन निकालने के लिए we have done this. So these are the some climatic zone which are made on the earth. This is the equator. On equator there is a torrid zone, because on the equator sun rays come directly, so in that area there is a temperature, high temperature, so this area is called torrid zone. Next is given, then there will be one line in the northern hemisphere. We have divided, this is equator, so this is called northern hemisphere and this is called southern hemisphere. So in northern hemisphere, this northern hemisphere, there is a one line, this is called Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. So this area between Tropic of Cancer and equator, it is called torrid zone. The area between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, it is called temperate zone. And the area between North Pole and North Pole and Arctic Circle, it is called frigid zone. This area is temperature high, in this area temperature is moderate, and frigid zone temperature is very low. So these are the some climatic zone which are made on this earth. In same way, there is a Tropic of Capricorn in southern hemisphere. So between the Tropic of Capricorn and equator, there is a torrid zone. Then Tropic of Cancer and Antarctic Circle, there is a temperate zone, and between Antarctic Circle and South Pole, there is a frigid zone. So these are the three climatic zone made: torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. So these things we have discussed. These are the North Pole and South Pole. Now next thing, this is the shape you can see which is shown in the globe, it is India. This is Tropic of Cancer and this is equator. Next thing, on the basis of equator we have divided our map into two parts, or globe into two parts, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. In same way, when we are making the prime meridian 0 degree longitude, when we are making the 0 degree longitude, this is 0 degree longitude, so this also divide earth into two parts, that is western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. This is western hemisphere, it is eastern hemisphere. These are the prime meridian, it is also called the time zone. We have started our time zone from this prime meridian 0 degree longitude. Next, international date line. We have decided the date line on the basis that we are making the dates. So what is international date line? This is in the Pacific zone. This is Pacific Ocean and it is in Pacific Ocean. The international date line is an imaginary line. We know very well these all are the lines which are on the earth we have marked. They are only imaginary line that we have made only on the map. Such type of lines are not on the earth. Is an imaginary line of longitude on the earth surface located at about 180 degree east of the west of Greenwich meridian. Here you can see this is the line that we have discussed. This is 0 degree longitude. This 0 degree longitude passes with the one area of England that is called Greenwich. So that's why it is also called Greenwich meridian. And this international date line in the western side of this is on the back side of the earth, because it is 0 degree, in the back side it will come 180 degree. So in that 180 degree there is a one line, international date line, that we are calling. What is written here? The earth surface located at about 180 degree east or west of the Greenwich meridian. In this side when we will come 180 degree, so it will be the international date line. What is said? The international date line is an imaginary line of navigation on the surface of the earth that runs from the north pole to the south pole and demarks the change of one calendar day to the next. What is used? This is used for the change in the day. When one day completed with the day and night, then next day will come. So that is called international date line. So date is changed after this. Now what is said? When we are going America to Asia, when we are coming from America to Asia, for example, I will show you in world map. When we are coming America to Asia, so this will be the one day. And when we are going from the, this is the map of world, you can see. Okay, so there is a, this is Asia, okay, this is Europe, this is Africa, sorry, and in this side there is America and North America and South America. So when we are coming from this side, so sun always rises in the east, so we are coming from west to east. Earth always move from west to east. Earth rotate किस पे कर रही है? West to east कर रही है. तो जब हम इस साइड में आएंगे तो क्या होगा? गेन, यानी दिन बनेगा. और जब हम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट जाएंगे, when earth will move in this way, so this area will come in front of the sun and the area which is behind that will come, that will not in front of the sun, so that area will lose the day. It means then there will be a night. It is told in this, that is written America to Asia, gain a day. It means when we are coming from America to Asia side, so there will be a day, and when we are going from Asia to America, then it will be a loss of the day. It means we are going for the night. Now next thing which is given, in eastern hemisphere there are 180 degree longitudes and in east western hemisphere there are 180 degree. It means there are total 360 degrees of complete earth we have divided, and we have made two hemisphere, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Hemisphere means when we divide the circle into two parts, equal parts. जब हम circle को दो part में divide कर देते हैं तो half part को क्या बोलते हैं? We are calling hemisphere. So there are eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So in both there are 180 degree longitudes. So when we will plus it, so it will become 360 degree. Now what is said? 360 multiplied by 4 minutes. It means when earth rotates on its axis, so one earth completes one longitude within 4 minutes. So when it 4 minutes cover, so total will be 24 hours. When we will divide it, it is given 360 multiply by 4 minutes, so it will come 440 minutes, and it will be divided by 60 minutes, so it will come 24 hours. So this is the what is done in this. You can see what we have done. There are 360 longitudes, multiply by 4 minutes because earth rotates on and cover one longitude in 4 minutes. So this is 4 minutes. Then there is a 440 minutes. When we will divide into 4 multiply by 36 360, that will come 1440 minutes. And there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So what we will do, we will divide 1040 by 24. So what will come, that will come 24 hours. So earth complete one rotation on its axis in 24 hours. So it is the day and night both. This is the way. What is said, 360 longitudes multiply by 4 minutes, it will come 1440 minutes. Then we will divide 1440 minutes by 60 because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So what will come, 24 hour. It means earth rotates on its axis and complete one rotation within 24 hours. So that is the completion of day and night. Now this is the position shown in India map, in the world map of India. यानी वर्ल्ड मैप में इंडिया की लोकेशन ये आपको दिखाई गई है. These are the latitudes and these are the longitudes. Now what are the degrees? This that is given in the next map. It is the degrees. From here you can see this is the 68 degrees 7 minute east. This is 68 degrees 7 minute east, and this is 97 degree 25 minute east. So this area is according to longitude we have. लॉन्गिट्यूड के अकॉर्डिंग हमारे पास कितना एरिया है वर्ल्ड के मैप के अंदर. दिस इज 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट टू 97 डिग्री 25 मिनट ईस्ट. वी आर इन द ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द इक्वेटर वी आर इन नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉन्गिट्यूड वी आर इन ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर, अकॉर्डिंग टू लैटिट्यूड वी आर इन नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. Then according to latitude there is a 6 degree 4 minute 45 minutes, but we are considering it from 8 degree 4 minutes. हम कहाँ से कंसिडर करते हैं इसको, 8 डिग्री 4 मिनट नॉर्थ से लेकर 37 डिग्री 6 मिनट. सो दिस इज द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एंड लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट ऑफ इंडिया. ये क्या है आपका लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूड एक्सटेंट है, वो इंडिया का बताया गया है. दिस इज लॉन्गिट्यूड एक्सटेंट एंड दिस इज लैटिट्यूड एक्सटेंट. लॉन्गिट्यूड एक्सटेंट इज 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट ईस्ट and to 97 degree 25 minute east, and latitude from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. This is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India that we have discussed. Now total length of the from north to south and east to west. North to south the total length of India is 3214 kilometer, and east to west to east it is 2933 kilometer. North to south we have 3214 kilometer, and according to the west to east area there is 2933 kilometer areas. So this thing we have discussed. Tomorrow we will discuss about the size of India. Today we have discussed about the location of India in the world map. Thank you. Have a nice day.